Another set of technology that I want to talk about is these agents. So AI agents and automation is, to me, like next level. And I think you're starting to see these AI agent tools emerge now. And for example, Relevance AI is one that keeps popping up. And this tool allows you to build different agents that do specific things. And you can chain together what you want them to do. So I was doing some research. I created a researcher and I asked it to do some research on ash, right? So like, just using ash as my example. All I said was, like, do research on ash from Bronson Health. And it has, these tools have these flow builders and they have instructions. So it says, here's how I want you to do research on our behalf. And we can train this thing. And it's not writing code, it's actually just writing what you want it to do in a prompt. And then you can use variables within it, and you can actually have it do the research for you. You can build flow, you can build templates, you can have instructions, and it's really powerful stuff. And let me just show you like a quick example of what it came back with. So you can see it ran through the 9 different steps for this particular researcher. It looked everything up, and then it consolidated that content into summaries of information, and then insightful information if I'm like a salesperson or a marketing person that wants to try to communicate with Ash, right? And so imagine then if I could take that information and feed that then into other agents. So I can actually like work with other, like I want to do the sales prospect outreacher. So now I want someone to behave like the salesperson. And I also could have it hook up and do an avatar where I could create a video message from that content to that person. And then I could actually have that outreach go through this agent and send all that content to him, and I can have that be automatic in real time based on actual research of that person. That's all real in here today. And then you start to apply things like make.com. So if you have
Make is a digital workplace where anyone can bring their ideas to life. Are you an entrepreneur who aspires to launch a tech-first business? A startup needing to save time and resources with automation? Or even a global enterprise looking to manage your cloud applications and workflows from a single platform? Make's visual platform lets you build anything you can imagine, from simple workflows to entire business processes. Start by choosing your trigger, connect apps and tools in a unique drag-and-drop interface, and create basic or complex solutions using decision-based logic with no coding experience needed. Need to share data or workflows across departments? No problem. With Make, you can remove technical silos by creating shared workspaces and assigning your roles and projects to empower.
Okay, you got to get the idea, right? So you've got these tools, these automation tools like Make. They're hyper-scaled tools. They're available now. And then you can chain them together with all these other tools that you're using on the internet, Notion or Gmail or Docs or whatever triggers you want to use. You can build this logic in a very visual way. And then Relevance AI is just another one of the tools that you can plug into. So you can pass the data to Relevance AI. You can have Relevance do the work with its agents, do things on your behalf, and you can chain together workflows very quickly. And you can build workflow after workflow after workflow, solving problems for your business or for your clients, and really building business in a different way. Like when I was here, I was writing, I think we were studying COBOL back in the late 90s still, and Visual Basic was the hot language. These tools are getting more and more abstracted all the time, and you can leverage them and chain them together in very, very unique ways. So that's Relevance AI, that's Make, that's kind of a little preview of AI agents and automation.